Hey guys, so Scott here. We are working at this house that we were at a couple of years ago. We've been here a couple different times. They have this hillside that we did some initial skip rolls on and some simple planting. They had some other trees and bushes that have come out now. We're going to continue to replant this area. Took out an old creosote wall. We're going to replant that and then add some boulders throughout, and then mulch and clean this up. So boulders are coming in, plants are going to go out, and then we're going to get this all cleaned up. Skip laurels are in. Moss rocks have been placed as a natural random edge where plants will creep around them, and then mulch will kind of cover everything. Working on planting going down the line. You know, we've got some skip laurels, some skimias, twist and shout hydrangeas. We've got P&G hydrangeas, viburnums, daylilies, echinacea, black-eyed Susans, and Corbel plum puddings. So we are finishing up here. If you can see, they are starting to mulch. So we've got to just mulch this back planting area. Then we've got to seed the very bottom edge here, and then we'll be done and on to the next one. All the plants are in, working on mulching it out. Using black mulch so the plants and colors pop against it. Let me know what you think. So here's the front yard, all cleaned up. We planted this last year. Does need a little pruning. Landscaper's supposed to come and do that, but looking pretty, looking nice. They actually got rid of some trees, so now some of the stuff that was more shade tolerant, like the hostas, actually don't have to be here anymore. Coming back through the backyard, it's all been finished mulched. Let's see what it looks like. Finished being blown. Grass seed going down. It's all cleaned up and mulched, and now they can enjoy the weekend. All finished, planted, cleaned up, stumps removed, railroad ties removed, moss rock installed, planting installed, as well as mulched and seeded. Let us know what you think.